Moldex 3D, an injection molding simulation software, utilizes the most advanced true 3D technology to simulate the plastic injection molding process, offering customers the highest accuracy analysis results. With a leading parallel computing technology, Moldex 3D enhances computational performance significantly. The technology supports for both multiprocessor PC and PC cluster. By using a standard quad-core processor, the analysis speed can accelerate up to 250%. While striving for continuous technological advancement, Moldex 3D listens to customers' concerns and provides dedicated and reliable support. Moldex 3D is widely used in diverse industries, including automotive, electronics, medical devices, electro-optical, and consumer products. Moldex 3D can precisely optimize your results. To provide customers with the most complete solutions, Moldex 3D cooperates with mainstream PLM suppliers for CAD-CAE integration, enabling users to complete design verification and optimization faster and easier. Siemens, PTC, and Cimatron have all said that the innovative integration with Moldex 3D was a crucial step toward the development of a complete solution. It creates extra value for our customers, as well as the highest standard of product and mold designs. In addition, Moldex 3D cooperates with structural analysis software suppliers to provide customers with a complete structure optimization solution, including ANSYS, Dassault Systèmes, Nastran, LS Dyna, and many others. Dassault Systèmes noted that Moldex 3D provides direct translation of the mesh and material properties into Applicus formats, simplifying the analysis process and increasing reliability for joint users. Thousands of customers worldwide have used Moldex 3D to reduce product development costs, improve product quality, increase productivity, and shorten time to market. Most importantly, users extend their know-how and know-why of the newest plastic processes through analyzing process to ultimately strengthen their competitiveness. Moldex 3D, molding your innovation.